Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Jotform Prefill with Monday.com. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Monday.com, I need you to click the Get Started option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Using Jotform Prefill with Monday.com allows you to create dynamic forms that automatically populate fields based on existing data in your Monday.com boards. Of course, this can save time, reduce manual entry, and ensure consistency in the data collected. Here's how to set it up. But first, before integrating with Monday.com, you will need to create a form in Jotform. So we're going to switch to that platform. Now, if you haven't already, I suggest you go to the jotform.com website and create an account. Once you have successfully created your account, you might want to log into your account and then create your first form, okay? And choose from scratch a template or import a form. It's all up to you. But for now, I'm going to maybe start from scratch. Or to save time, you might want to check some of the templates here. You can use the preview button. Like this one, looks natural. If you use this template, what will happen is, let's wait for it. It would be forwarded here, okay? And of course, all of this is highly customizable. Let me do that right now. Now, once you have done that, I need you to click on the publish. You can add collaborators if you wanted. For example, you're working with multiple freelancers or with clients or collaborators, you might want to add them here. But for now, let's click on publish, and you have the option at the left side panel of your dashboard that says prefill, where you can pre-populate your forms. I want you to click on it, and from here, and obviously you have all these options for you. You can use a HubSpot, Airtable, Pipedrive, and of course, we're looking for the Monday.com. Click on it, and you can see you need to authenticate your Monday.com account to create a pre-filled form, and you need the Monday.com API key. Now, I need you to switch over to your Monday.com account and then go to your avatar or profile picture in the top right corner, this one, and click on administration. Once you've done that, all you're going to do is go to the connections and click the API tab. You see, this is going to be your personal API token. You can regenerate if you wanted. All right. Once you've done that, I want you to click on copy, because the API will give you powerful capabilities in order to enhance your Monday.com experience. It's very important to keep your API token secure. Once you've copied that, switch over to your Jot form. All we're going to do is paste it in. Click authenticate. Once I've done that, you just have to select a board. In my case, I'm going to be using this one from Monday.com. You need to select a group, and that's going to be your contact. All right. Okay, so after that, the next options are you can customize all the necessary fields and data. For example, if you wanted to have maybe the name first, click on that. And of course, you would need maybe the first name. You can add more. Obviously, that's going to be maybe the status. So it's up to you. Maybe the room type. So you can also put in the name if you wanted. You can add more fields as you go along. After that, click on Save Settings. Click on that. And what will happen is you would be forwarded here. For example, you have missed out some information. You might want to click on the prefill settings. That would lead you back to the navigation earlier. All right. For example, you have missed out some names and status on the email. You might want to do that, or you have added more fields that you don't want. Click on X or remove that. All right. Now go back again here, and if you wanted to add a new prefill, okay, you could select items you want to create unique prefill entries. For example, this one. Click on that, and of course, click on Create. After doing so, you have now the option to, you see that, send invitation, copy URL, rename, or delete that once you have done so. If you click this send invitation. You just have to enter the email address. For example, this is going to be for, I'm going to put in Andy Guide. And all I'm going to do is click on send invitation, right? Or again, you can copy the URL and obviously send it to the collaborators. If you're working with different freelancers, clients, you might want to send that to emails or social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Discord, Instagram, and a lot more. Okay. Now after that, you also have an access permission to the people that you're gonna send this link to. You can have users edit this pre-fill fields or read only because you don't want people messing up with your settings, right? So it's all up to you. For now, read only. Now, once you're happy with that, when you click on this form, what will happen is be forwarded here on this amazing pre-filled information, right? You see? It's very easy, and now here users can complete forms faster when the key information is already filled in, speeding up the processes like project updates, client intake, or employee onboarding. All right. Once you're happy with that, the next option that you can do is go to monday.com directly. Once you are here, I need you to go to the integrations on the top corner. I want you to click on it and look for Jotform. There's so many integrations that you can choose from. If you can find it, go to the integration 72. Or just type in Jotform. There you go. Click on that, and obviously you can simply click on install on Jotform's monday.com app. Lets you create custom forms for your website and sync submissions to your boards automatically, whether you're looking for. It's the same process all over again, because by pulling data directly from monday.com, you reduce the risk of manual entry errors, ensuring consistency and accuracy in your forms. And the last option that we are going to explore is using Zapier, because here you can connect Jotform to monday.com and automate your work by clicking on this orange button to connect these apps and have all these endless possibilities. If you do that, what will happen is you would be forwarded here with your own Zap. You can rename that. And obviously you can select an event from Jotform. For example, it triggers when a signed document is received. And then hover to monday.com, choose an event. For example, it changed multiple column values of an item. And all you're gonna do is click on continue, authenticate these apps. You can sit back and relax because Zapier will do all the work for you. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.